Yeah, you tell the world what's going on in your life, huh? Good morning. Good morning. Harmony Grace. What you got? So we're on the way to bring Harmony to daycare. Yeah. And John has an appointment at Mass Lane here for his vocal therapy. He's driving. I'm back here with little Princess just so that she didn't spill her bottle all over herself. Yep. Hi. Yeah, you tell the world what's going on in your life, huh? You've got a teether? Yeah. Yeah. And then he's going to drop me off at work, and it helps him out because if I'm with him, then he can use the carpool lane. We need to have 2 or more people in the car for the carpool lane, so I make it so he can get in there quicker, and he can drop me off at work, and we get to spend a little bit. We get to spend a little bit more time together. That's nice too. Makes for a little bit early every day though. It's 7:22 now. We plan to be out the door at 7. So, well, actually we plan to have her dropped off at 7. So we plan to be out the door by 10 of 7. So we're running about a half hour behind, but I think we should still be okay to get in for 9. Traffic at this time of day is pretty rough, but with the help of the carpool lane, we should be able to get in on time. I have to be at work at 9. He has appointments at 9, so thankfully he's only about, I don't know, how long is it, 5 minutes?
7.
Oh, okay, 5 to 10 minutes from my building is where he has to go, so it should be okay. On our way. Yay! Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I love you, Harmony Grace. Love you. Waving bye-bye. You have a good day at school? Yeah. Okay. Yep, this is not fun. This is Boston traffic. It's not the worst place in the world to have traffic, but it's pretty bad because there really isn't a whole lot of options to get in the city. There's one of our world famous landmarks here up in Boston. It's the gas tank that has the paint splattered down the sides of it, and each of the different colors kind of is a different thing. The blue one is like a Chinese guy. Previously the orange one was like Fred Flintstone, or actually maybe it was the red one. But yeah, they actually covered it over at one point, and people complained so much because it was such a part of our historical whatever that they had to repaint it.
Really?
Really?
I didn't know that.
Yep. We have some of these little turbine windmill things to make some electricity, but not a whole lot. And then ahead of us is a bit of the skyline now that we can't see much of it. Hey, puppy dog. How are you doing? Let's go find Daddy and Harmony. Here they are. 2, 3, go. Yay! Was that what it was? She was happy as soon as she got back here?
It's like turn the corner.
Oh. Hi!
Want to do high five? High five. High five. High five.
Yay!
High five. Yes! Yes! High five. Come on, give me a high five. Ah! Ah!
What do you think of that? Can you pull it down again? Here, I'll hold it. You pull it. Go ahead, you pull it down.
That's a sheep. That's a pig. It says.
You gotta do it. Hold on. Okay, do it. Pull it down. All the way. All the way down. Ready? All the way down. Uh-oh. All the way. What you doing?
Cow.
You moved it before it was ready. Daddy, help me put this back on.
Thank you. A cooker? Where's the car? Where did this go?
Probably in the bucket over here. We have a car in here. No car. Oh, here's a car.
Oh, right. So, what? You gotta do this. Oh, yay! Alright. I'll put the car in. You gotta do this. Do this. Okay. Turn it again. Turn it again. Turn. Again.
Good girl.
Do again. Come on. Push.
She's like right through her legs. Harmony, what are you doing? You got Mama's purse? Harmony. She stole my purse. Harmony Grace is helping Daddy with the dishes.
She's doing an awesome job.
Yeah. Are you helping Daddy? Oh, he's doing so good. She keeps taking the same thing out. Yeah, you want to put it over there? Oh, good girl. Oh, so good. You see what she did? Oh, you're such a good girl. Yeah, Dada. So we're going to go to bed. Yeah. I'm going to go give her a little bit of nursing time. And she's going to go to sleep. And then we're going to edit. Huh. We're going to edit. You say goodnight. Say night-night. Say night-night. Okay, let's go to bed. We will see you in our next video. Bye. Bye.